Well, howdy there. I'm CyberX with Outlandishly Crafted, and today we're going to talk about the Entity Wizard. Yeah, the Entity Wizard is a plugin for Blockbench, and we've been getting lots of questions about it. So, really quick, we're going to show you right here how do we install and find the Entity Wizard. So you got Blockbench installed, you got it here. We go to plugins, we go to available, and right there, Minecraft Entity Wizard, we hit install. We go back to install. It's installed. And then it's right here on the main page. You can also find it if you go up here to your tools. There you go. So it's that easy. That's how you install and get to the Minecraft Entity Wizard. Yep, there you go. If you have any more questions, check out all my other guides, especially if you're trying to do animations for the Entity Wizard. That's coming up next.